catch back up with you once I have some coffee and actually make a little bit of sense.
Hello, Alex?
Yes.
There you go.
Thank you very much.
Awesome car. Have a great day.
Thank you.
Stay safe.
All right, boys. Got the coffee. Very happy right now. Catch back up with you when we get to the house. Alright guys, we made it to the house, and we gotta get started now. To give you an idea of what I was talking about, these trim pieces, they're this lip kit, it's polyurethane. It's faded, it's been on the car now for like a couple of years, and I don't know, this is coming off, I gotta reattach that, but I think it's time to paint it. I think it's time to make it look nice. So that's the plan. We're gonna start with the rear ones just because those are the easiest to get off and a pretty good test piece to make sure that I actually know what I'm doing. Alright guys, we're gonna remove this trim piece, but the first step before using any kind of power tool in any given situation, that would be have your coffee with you. Don't want to use a power tool when you're sleepy. So, eat your coffee. Alright, I'm gonna get to taking this thing off right now, and we'll see what we got. Oh, that was embarrassing. There's just some clips holding it on. Oops. And I lost my bit thingy. If I had my coffee earlier, this wouldn't have happened.
A few moments later.
Update. Got both of the rear spats off. Took a little bit longer than I would have liked. These clips always seem to put up a fight. But now I gotta get them cleaned. I gotta get them prepped and ready to go so I can paint them. And I hope that they turn out good. This is my first time ever actually attempting to paint something properly. So we're gonna see how it goes. But yeah, so definitely gonna catch back up with you in a little bit, and we'll see where we are. But first, all right guys, I'm sitting here with my coffee that I'm almost out of, which is bad, but I'm watching paint dry. Not as much fun as you might think it is. Isn't really too much else going on, but yeah, kind of bored, just sitting here watching paint dry. I should be productive and take off the splitters. I think I'm going to do that actually. Alright guys, got the side skirts taken off the car, got them sanded, primed, sanded again, and now they have some paint on them. I'm very happy with the way it's turning out. Let's take a look at the rear spats that are here drying before we put the clear coat on them. Obviously this isn't an ideal painting situation. I'm outside, a lot of dirt and debris and stuff, but we're working with it. We're doing the best that we can. Still, everything's turning out really well. I'm very happy with everything, and we're gonna keep going. Alright guys, the last piece of the puzzle is I have to get off the front lip. I've already kind of started taking the splitter off, but this is still attached. So yeah, this is gonna be a fun little process, but we're gonna get it taken care of. The other stuff's drying right now. The rear spats, I just put the clear coat on, and the side skirts, or the paint is drying enough so that I can put the clear coat on, but I want to get this prepped and ready to go. Sorry, that was a UPS truck. And I want to get this prepped and ready to go before I do anything else. So taking it off the car is going to be the longest process of all of this, and I'm tired. Could use another coffee, but we're gonna power through this, and I'm gonna get it all taken care of. Enjoy the time lapse of me trying to get this thing off, and pick back up with you guys when I have more progress. Alright guys, switched over to POV. As you can see, I managed to trim this edge. I mean, I gotta clean it up a little bit, but now that I know what I'm doing, I decided to take the lip kit completely off the car. I'm gonna follow this line that I traced out with my handy dandy wizard wheel over here. It's just gonna come right off. So I'm gonna get to it, and I'm going to catch back up with you when I have both sides done. Alright guys, it's been a while since you were last updated. I got the car back together, painted the lip kit, everything looks really good. Super excited with how that came out. On a whim, decided to cut the front splitter. Probably saw a clip of me with the whiz wheel. And we're like, what's he doing with the whiz wheel? Nah, got the front splitter. Everything looks good. Very happy with it. It's definitely a lot better than that faded plastic look that was there before. So now it's nice and clean looking. But yeah. Drop a comment, let me know what you think of how about the lip kit. And if you did like the video, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And please stay tuned for the other videos. It's gonna be really good.